Jai Hind everyone. Today we are going to revise our chapter 3 clothes we wear. Okay. Need for clothes. Why do we need clothes? We need clothes to cover our body and protect ourselves from heat, cold and insects. And type of clothes. Two type of clothes are there. Cotton clothes, woolen clothes. It's given here. And in next page, rain clothes, raincoat and silk clothes also. From where we get fibers from? We get cotton from cotton plant, and yarn is then woven into clothes, and we get wool from sheep and yak, and wool is first cleaned, dyed and spun into woolen threads. Sweaters, mufflers and caps are made up of wool. After that, silk threads we get from the silkworm, and silkworm spin a cocoon around their body. The threads that we get from the cocoon are woven into silk clothes. Cotton, silk and wool are natural yarns. These are natural threads which we get from nature, and different people wear different type of clothes. Boy and girls wear different clothes. Men, women and children wear different clothes. And dresses in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Tamil Nadu are called traditional clothes. They are wearing clothes according to their tradition, their culture. They are special type of clothes are there, and people from different regions and countries, and some people have to wear a uniform to their place of work. Some people wear special uniform according to their work, like doctor wear white coat, nurses also wear, pilots different uniform, and students are also wear uniform in their schools. Different school have different type of uniform. Today we are going to study new topic, taking care of your clothes. How can you take care of your clothes? We should take care of our clothes. We should keep them clean and protect them from dust. We have to take care of our clothes. We should keep them clean, protect them from dust. When we clean our clothes, dust from our clothes can be clean. We should protect them from insects by storing them properly. We can protect our clothes from insects when we store them properly in safe place. We should always wear clean and ironed clothes to go school in clean uniforms. We should always wear a clean uniform and iron also to and go to school in clean uniform. You have to wear clean uniform when you are going to school. We must not dry our clothes by sitting in dirty or dusty places. We must not dirty our clothes. We must not dirty our clothes by sitting in the dirty place. You don't sit any dirty place because your clothes become dirty when you sit any dirty place. And you should eat food carefully so that it does not fall on your clothes. When you eat your food carefully, then your food will not fall on your clothes and your clothes will be safe. Taking good care of clothes make them last longer. When you take care of your clothes, then your clothes will last longer. Then your clothes can be uh, worn for a long time. Now, pit stop is there. In the box given below, write S for the clothes you would wear during summer, W for clothes you would wear during winter, and R for the clothes you would wear on a rainy day. Here raincoat is given here. You have to write here R, or you can write here rainy season also. Okay, you wear raincoat in rainy season, you will be write here R. Sweater, it is woolen clothes and you will wear it in winter days, you have to write here W, means winter days. Okay, cotton clothes we wear in summer, so you have to write here S or summer days. Okay, Raincoat are rainy season. Woolen clothes in winter you have to write W here. Cotton clothes in summer you have to write S here. Okay. Now main points of this chapter. First point is given, clothes protect us from cold, heat and rain. We wear different type of clothes in different season. People of different region and countries wear different kind of clothes. We should always wear clean and iron clothes. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.